Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're catching up with Dan Abrams, the veteran legal analyst, media entrepreneur, and TV host. Once known primarily for his law commentary, he's now juggling a media empire, spirits business, and more. So, where is he now? Let's find out. Dan Abrams earned his law degree from Columbia University and broke into media via Court TV, where he covered high-profile trials. Over the years, he's held major roles at NBC and ABC, and built Abrams Media, which includes well-known sites like Mediaite and formerly Law and Crime. He's also a best-selling author, writing books about historic trials and legal history. Where is Dan Abrams now? As of now, Dan Abrams is deeply involved in several ventures simultaneously. He serves as chief legal analyst for ABC News, regularly appearing on programs to break down legal and political stories. He hosts On Patrol, Live on Reels, a series that follows real law enforcement work in real time. He's the voice behind The Dan Abrams Show on SiriusXM's POTUS channel, where he discusses law, politics, and current events. He's the founder and CEO of Abrams Media, which now includes his spirits media company, Bottle Raiders, focusing on liquor reviews and tasting culture. He launched a new restaurant, Danny's, in New York City, in late 2025, a cozy wine bistro that reflects his passion for wine and hospitality. Earlier in 2025, Abrams ended his nightly cable show, Dan Abrams Live, citing the challenge of balancing it with his growing business responsibilities. He told viewers he still plans to collaborate with NewsNation on possible future projects, but his priority is clearly shifting toward his entrepreneurial ventures, especially his media platforms and restaurant. He's also putting more energy into Bottle Raiders, raising funds to expand the Spirits Review network. Meanwhile, he continues to nurture his vineyard on Long Island, highlighting that he's building a legacy that extends beyond television. Dan Abrams isn't slowing down, he's just evolving. From law analyst to media mogul to restaurateur, he's building a multifaceted empire that reflects all his passions. His story shows how one can pivot from the spotlight to the boardroom without losing relevance. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.